Hey there mga my love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So before we start your reading mga babes, no reminders muna as na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages we think are for you. At syempre wala po tayong gender here. So babae, lalaki, LGBT, crosswatchers, all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, yan, no? Hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, welcome. Tuloy po kayo dito sa channel ni EP. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much mga babes Scorpio for being here once again, no? So, sa pabalik-balik ninyong pagtambay here. So, let's gonna take a look at your energies. What's coming towards you? Ano yung mga pwede ninyong asahan, mga maaari or posible maging kaganapan here for my Scorpion people out there. Spirits and angel guides, like Angel Michael, maraming salamat for being present here in this reading. This is for my Scorpio people. This is for Scorpio. Tell me something about Scorpio, please. Scorpio. Scorpio, nakakita ko rito, no, ng oportunidad pagdating sa pera or business sa malayo. Yung business ninyo, no, nakikita ko na kung maganda man yung flow niya ngayon or parang feeling mo na kukulangan ka sa flow na yan, there is a change of location rito, no. So, nakikita ko rito na malilipat mo yan sa isang magandang lokasyon, yung business mo na yan, okay? At papatok yan, nakikita ko rito na mag-a-attract yan ng maraming customers at marami ritong mga buyers, no? Kung yan man ay something to do with selling or meron kang items na binibenta or products, I'm seeing that, no, na relocation, no, is the key. So, you might want to search right here for the right location, kung ano yung mas maraming tao, and I'm seeing right here that this is you will definitely have that good money flow, no? Mas maganda sa flow ng money mo, no? Especially if you're thinking of relocating that or changing location yan. Ano man yang business mo, okay? Or you might want to try something advanced. Like, kung hindi mo pa yan na-try, no, na ilagay sa online or lagyan, agawan ng website, no, kung saan pwedeng online mag-order, then, okay, you might want to consider that. And for others of you, kung hindi man business yan, no, nakikita ko rito na may magandang oportunidad ng kaperahan, no, sa malayo. It requires travel. So, either titira ka rito ng mag-isa, no, kasi maaaring ma-relocate ka because of a job, okay? Pero nakikita ko na mas magiging maganda yung ipon mo at mas maganda tong oportunidad na to, no, compare sa oportunidad na meron ka. Yan, no. Miss Yan, kailan ba yan? I'm seeing that this will definitely pop out, no, from somewhere. Kahit sa mga ads or kahit dyan sa paligid mo, be aware. Kasi nakikita ko na magkakaroon ka kagad ng interest pagkakita mo pa lang dun. Okay? So, let's see. Tell me more for my Scorpio people here. Scorpio. Yeah, yung iba sa labas ng bansa yan. Pero nakikita ko rito, no, na maganda talaga yung oportunidad na yan para paluguin yung financial or kapirahan mo. We have here the Hanging Man energy or the Hangman. The Ace of Swords. Seven of Swords. Three of Wands energy. Two of Pentacles. Let's see at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles energy, King of Swords. So definitely there's healing here. Nakita ko rito mga babes, no, na medyo painful ito sa'yo pero nag-heal ka na ngayon, no. And it has something to do with abandonment issue. Pwedeng meron nag-abandon sa inyo in the past, Scorpio, no, and finally you're healing, no. At ang maganda niyan, bukod sa nag-heal ka, nagiging wiser ka rin. With this King of Swords energy, nakikita ko rito na mas lalo ritong humasa, no, ang iyo ritong decision-making skills, and at the same time, no, mas lalo ka ritong naging matalino to handle, no, ang things sa iyong life, no, any situation here. And in picking up that this is you, parang meron ka ritong gagawing bold move or actions with the Chariot card in the King of Swords energy. Meron ka ritong naisip na strategy right here, no, when it comes to love. Kung meron ka mang kakonect ngayon, no, like literally meron kang person here, pwedeng yung person mo or ikaw to na nag-iisip ka rito na mag-travel kayong dalawa. So, no, like kayong dalawa lang, get away, na baka mag-staycation or magbakasyon kayo, no, like, mas mahaba na yung 1 week. That's what I'm picking up right here. But this person here, this is someone here special to you. Yung iba, pwedeng nililigawan pa lang kayo niyan or wala pang kayo, no? Or this person here could be thinking na mag-date kayong dalawa, no? Somewhere na hindi sa syudad. Okay, you know what I mean? Like, it's a nature vibe or this is something here very relaxing and refreshing. Yan. Someone here could be thinking that or that could be you. Kung hindi ikaw yun, then definitely that is the energy here of someone who wants to connect to you. Pinag-isipan niya ano ba yung mga dapat nyong gawin, mga activities na pwede ninyong itry, no? So, whoever that person is, I think serious rin siya rito, no? Sa pagbibuild rito ng something strong or kind of foundation here sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, you were someone here who definitely got hurt so bad in the past, but I'm seeing you healing, you're recovering here. At saka dati yung mga hindi mo napapansin like angel numbers, synchronicities, yung mga sinesend sa'yo ng mga signs and clues ng mga angels and spirit guides, like you're unaware. Maybe you know that, pero hindi ganun kalawak yung iyong understanding dun. Pero ngayon, mas nagpipay ka na ng attention doon at nakikinig ka na sa iyong intuition. Okay? Hindi ka na lang sumusunod dito sa basta sa inisip mo lang or sinabi lang ng emosyon mo or heart mo, no, hindi. Talagang yung intuition rito, yung nilalagay mo na ngayon, no, as part of your major decision making na parang makikinig ako sa intuition ko because I know that if I listen to my intuition, I will never get that wrong move. So yeah, definitely you're right, no? And also the hanging man right here, 9 of Wands, okay, I do pick up that. Meron ditong someone na nag-aalala. Okay? This person keeps on thinking and thinking about you. This person is actually worrying right here, no? This is not a romantic situation. That's what I'm picking. Actually, nag-aalala siya rito na makuha mo, Scorpio, yung iniisip niya na kanya daw. Well, definitely, I'm not surprised though, because you've got, di ba, dun sa previous nating reading na ginawa, no? Yung previous yung reading, no, is meron dong naiinggit na maybe this person here is one of them. But there is someone here worrying that you might have that high chance na makuha mo yung bagay na gusto niya. Yeah, pressured siya. Iniisip niya rito mga babes, no, ikaw, imbes na isipin niya rito kung paano niya ikaw mauunahan, 'di ba, na makuha yon kasi gusto rin naman pala niya yon. Okay? It could be anything. Pero kung ano yung tina-target mo rito, I think yun din yung target niya na goal. So this person here is actually focusing and paying more attention sa'yo kaysa dun sa kung paano niya ipupush yung gusto niya, no? See? Meron agad mali dun sa part na yun, no? So, dapat ang gawin niya, no, is mag-focus siya kung paano niya makuha yung bagay na yun, no? Kaysa mag-focus siya sa competitor niya, which is ikaw yun. Yan. And also with the Ace of Swords energy, 7 of Swords, I think okay, there is something here in the past, no, na pwedeng noon parang gustong-gusto mo yun malaman kung ano ba yung nangyari dun, no, pero hindi mo nalaman yun, okay, nung time na parang gustong-gusto mong malaman yung truth na yun or kung ano man yun. But now, clarity will be revealed to you. This is something here about the truth na nangyari noon. And I'm seeing that this is something here, okay, na alam mo na. Okay? Like, lumipas na rito yung panahon, oras, no? Like, alam mo na kung ano yung nangyari na yun. So, parang confirmation na lang to na parang, tama pala yung iniisip ko. Tama pala yung hinala ko noon, kind of thing, no? And now, this will not bother you anymore. Pero yun nga, nasabi ko sa inyo, this is just the right time for you to be able to know the truth. Kasi kung ano man yung truth na yun, okay, parang it's somehow na hindi pa kasi yun yung right time para malaman mo yun, eh, okey? Kasi nandun ka pa sa mataas ng emosyon mo, nandun pa yung parang eagerness mo 'no, na parang hindi mo pa naririnig yung talagang mga tamang sagot na dapat mong marinig 'no, parang hindi pa yun yung right time. But now is already the right time kasi now you can face it, okay? You can now face this truth right here, like you're no longer affected kung ano man yon, and I'm seeing na matagal ka nang naka-move forward. Yung iba nakita ko 'no, parang ano, yung yung lugar na marami kayong experience like nakakalungkot or may mga bad experiences kayo, nakita kong nag-relocate kayo sa ibang lugar. Nakita ko naglipat kayo ng ibang bahay, ng ibang lokasyon ng tirahan 'no, like umalis kayo dun, nakita ko yon. Pero yung iba doesn't have to be na talagang literal kayong lumipat, puwede lang na nag-detach lang kayo 'no, dun sa mga energies like yung ex mo, ganyan 'no, yung mga energies na hindi na nagiging healthy for you. Like hindi mo na sila pinansin, tuluyan mo na silang iniwasan, gano'n, 'no. Like you've detached from them sa social media 'no, sa buhay mo in short, you've deleted their number, you bought another new SIM card here, gano'n. Like literally like tinanggal mo sila 'no, sa buhay mo. Nagpatuloy ka rito 'no, na parang hindi sila nag-e-exist sa buhay mo. And also what I'm picking up right here, there is someone here who wants to tell a lie or to make daya to you. Pero I think you know who this person is. This is definitely not the person that we're talking about kanina na inggit sa'yo. Okay, this is a different energy here. I'm seeing someone here na I think kaya niyang magsinungaling. Okay, this person could be a liar. Someone here who wants to cheat or deceive you. Okay, may deceive tayong nakuha rito, no? Pero I think you know this person here. This is the energy here of katrabaho or someone who is around you. Pwedeng sa neighborhood mo or sa community mo. Kilala mo siya, yung nakita ko rito. Okay? Kaya parang wala ka na ring tiwala rito, parang kahit anong sasabihin niya rito, alam mong sinungaling siya. Yung nakita ko rito, parang bakit pa siya magta-try na magsinungaling, eh, alam ko naman na sinungaling siya. Yan, parang ganun yung nakikita ko rito sa energy mo, Scorpio. Like literally, you know kung sino yung mga kadil mo, you know kung sino yung mga tao rito na gusto kaang abusuhin or gusto rito na parang, alam mo yun, no, makuha lang dito yung kanilang kailangan, no, at umalis sa balutan na sila kind of thing, no. So, nakikita ko rito that you're not giving into this type of energies, no? So, I'm seeing you right here na marami ritong mga energies around you, no, na hindi healthy for you. But I'm seeing you na talagang very decidido ka na iwasan, i-avoid, at wag magbigay ng kahit na anumang atensyon sa mga yan. You're looking forward here with the future and that is your only truth. I'm picking up that, yeah, baka idol niyo si Mandy Moore, nakita natin siya, but doesn't have to be. But I'm guessing that this is you. You could be someone here na naglo-look forward sa future mo, no, instead of paying attention to any of these unhealthy energies around you. And also, nakikita ko rito na meron ka ritong plano for your life. Nakikita ko rito na meron ka ritong parang gustong mangyari sa buhay mo, ituloy mo yan, pero nakikita ko dito na makukuha mo yan, pero hindi dun sa paraan na iniisip mong eksakto. You know what I mean? Makukuha mo pa rin yan, Scorpio, pero hindi dun sa eksaktong bagay na iniisip mo. Okay? So, definitely, this is a very great news kasi parang this is something here that you do not expect na yun yung magiging kalabasan. Okay? Parang may mga things dito na madadagdag dun, pero ang ganda kasi naidagdag dun sa bagay na iniisip mo for your future, for yourself. Yan, no? And I'm also seeing here someone coming towards your way. I'm not yet seeing that this is someone here na magiging romantically involved sa buhay mo, pero nakikita ko na magiging kasangga mo siya at nasa tabi. Sa tabi mo siya mananatili dito. So, this is the energy here of someone who will be a support or alliance to you. Yung iba, malay ninyo, mag-lead ito sa something na romantic, no? Pero hindi ko pa yun nakikita dito. I do see that this person here is very honest when it comes to conversations, very direct and straightforward, which is I love. because you want someone here, no, na mas magandang diretso na lang magsalita kaysa yung paligoy-ligoy, no. Iniiwasan na parang, alam mo yun, yung parang hindi na lang dumirekta, no, sa kung anong gustong sabihin, ayaw mo ng paligoy-ligoy. But this person here will definitely tell you right away, no, parang kunwari, "Anong tingin mo? Maganda ba yan o pangit yan?" Pangit. Like gano'n, na diretso siya magsalita 'no, like literally 'no, hindi lang yung basta gano'n. This person who will definitely tell you straight to the point why, 'di ba? Talaga tingin mo pangit 'to, hindi 'to maganda rito na gawin natin, oo kasi ganito, eh. Nakita ko kasi 'to bilang ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So maaaring makilala mo siya sa trabaho 'no, or this could be someone here na makilala mo 'no, as a new friend, okey? Kung sino man siya nakikita ko rito 'no, na na very honest siya. Okay, at totoo siya ritong person. Nakikita ko na simple lang siya sa pananamit niya at this is someone here na puwedeng nagwe-wear siya rito ng eyeglasses. Not necessarily all the time, pero puwedeng kunwari 'pag magbabasa lang siya or gagamit siya ng laptop, mga ganyan. So, it could be, what's that, anti-radiation glass, sunglass kind of thing, okay? So, yeah, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin here for you. Scorpio, thank you so much, babes. No, and yeah, pay attention here to your dreams. May mga signs and clues na isa-send sa'yo sa universe right here. Okay, regarding your money and finances related things, no? Helpful informations yung nakukuha ko diyan. Lalo na kung napapanaginipan mo na yan, no, once or, I mean more than once or twice na yan, okay, then you might want to remember it, no? And kung yan man ay clue, baka maaari mo yung i-apply sa iyong life here sa 3D. Ito, totoong world natin, 3D ang tawag dito mga babes, no? Sa ating reality. So, thank you so much, Scorpio. Sana ngayong love and light. Annyeong.